Good afternoon, my name is Chris Honig and welcome to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Today I'm going to be showing you the 2019 Boston Whaler 210 Dauntless. The Dauntless we have today is outfitted with a light blue side hull. We also have this upgraded with a 200 horsepower white Mercury Verado motor. As you come into the aft, we have a very nice aft bench seat which folds down into an excellent swim fishing platform that's all gripped platform for great fishing. Also has a stern live well in the aft vent seat, and we have this is also reversible as well. As you come up to the center console, we have Fusion stereo, VHF radio, and then a watertight glove compartment box for your cell phone. We also have a white powder coated T-top with fishing rod holders on the back and electric trim tabs as well. As we go to the bow of the boat, we have another live well in the front with 4 rod holders and drink holders, and a nice bow cushion which can be taken out for another excellent fishing platform up top as well. We have this outfitted with a setup for a trolling motor, and this boat is definitely outfitted for fishing in shallow waters of Wrightsville Beach. And if you'd like to see this boat or any others, please give me a call. My name is Chris Honig, and my number is 910-617-3646. Thanks and have a great day.